If Adam and Eve were made from each other, well, Eve made from Adam, the rib, science has proven that donors carry characteristics of the the recipients carried characteristics of the donors, so which in turns make them feel part of each other, where we get homosexuality. So it's in the blood, it's in the psyche, it's all around us, it's natural. You shouldn't be telling people that it's not just because it's biblical. If you believe in the Bible, that tells you right there, if Eve was made from the rib, science proves it. Can't disqualify it. Love your neighbor as yourself.